Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the line style of shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Shapes drop down menu. Then select the Polygon tool. Then draw the polygon. Now I am select the move tool. Now we want to change the line style. Select the stroke option and choose any color. Now I am select the black color. Then select the white option and increase the white. Now we want to change the line style cap, join or align. Now I select the cap or the join or align. Now I am select the dash line style. Now we can see we change the line style very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.